What's up, gang? It's your boy Kalen Trades back with another video, man. Hey, really quick, if you click this video, then you already know what this is about. I'm going to not just try to convince you, but give you examples on why you should be trading in 2026. This is the year that you should either pick it up or take it serious and stop playing with your life, man. One, who in the world wants to work for anybody else? I mean, I ain't gonna lie, there's some people that love it. But for most of us, especially if you click this video, you know for a fact that you hate working for other people. You probably tried drop shipping. You probably tried wholesaling. You probably tried this whole entrepreneurship thing. I'm trying to tell you right now that there's nothing else in the world, unless you're a professional athlete or a super genius, to be able to get the type of money in an hour, in a minute, in a day that you can with day trading. And I'm telling you right now, my biggest trading day, I made $10,000 in 5 minutes. That's the type of money you can get from day trading. I got great news for you guys today. Prop Firm Match is the leading prop firm comparison platform on the internet. And they got live reviews, so you don't have to worry about being scammed. There's so many times where I've been scammed by these prop firms, bruh. You can actually customize what you're looking for in the challenge. So if you want to pass in one day, or if you want to get instant funding, if you even want to take your time with a prop firm and you like, I want to take a couple weeks, couple months to be able to do a Prop Firm Match, will help you with that, bruh. Trust me, they only go with the real prop firms that are going to get you those big payouts. And if you know anything about the channel, you know that I'm trying to get funded $2 million and run up the bag. Prop Firm Match is going to help me be able to do that because they only mess with legit brokers. And they'll be able to help you, bro. So what are you waiting for, man? Come on. 5 minutes, $10,000. That you cannot beat that. You can't scale your way up to a job to make that type of money, where literally in 5 minutes you're making that type of money and you can go about the rest of your day doing nothing or following your passions. I'm telling you, man, like for some of you guys, you're like me, you're music artists, and some of you guys might be semi-successful in it, and you realize that, oh shoot, there ain't no money in music. Some of you guys might be artists, like you like to draw and you want to sell your paintings, and you're like, shoot, I ain't Picasso. They ain't giving me that Picasso money. You might be better than Picasso. They don't got the Picasso money. I'm telling you, man, you can be able to day trade and fund your passions. A lot of times you can use the money that you get from day trading and actually reinvest it into your projects, into the things that you love to do. A lot of you guys want to be able to help people. Some of you guys might be working on books. Some of you guys might be working on albums, anything. I'm telling you, man, like when you develop a skill set that can actually help you make a lot of money and provide not just for yourself, but for other people, you can be able to start funding things. You can make bigger investments. Some of you guys might even want to get into real estate and you don't want to go through the process of working with, a company, and you want to just buy houses and flip it. When you learn how to day trade and have the money to be able to do that, you can absolutely do it. So I want to encourage you guys, if you haven't already, pick it up. If you haven't taken it serious, take it serious. Lock in this year. 2026, I believe, is going to be a profitable year for a lot of people. And I'm just throwing this out there. My course, it is $30 one time. I do have a trade with me. We was charging $60 a month. That is now $25 a month. Join it. It's not a signals group. You just see how I trade. We got a lot of opportunities, and you don't even have to go with me. Go with somebody else. Make sure that they're profitable though. Make sure they show bank statements. Make sure they're showing, a whole bunch of other stuff. But you want to be able to get the right coaching, because it took me 3 years, and on average, it takes people about 3 years to become profitable. And with that being said, you want to make sure that you guys are stepping into the right system to be able to become profitable. So for me, it took me a while to become profitable because I was trying to find a system and strategy that actually worked for me. For a lot of people, they strategy hop, and I don't blame them, because I was strategy hopping because I was trying to find and develop, like, what system works for me. Am I a swing trader? Am I a scalper? Like, meaning, do I trade on a bigger time frame? Am I holding my trades longer? Or am I in and out? You know, and I was doing the swing trading thing at first, and I realized, yo, this actually does not work for me. I need to scout. And I started on the 5 minute. I was like, man, I gotta figure the 1 minute time frame out. And my strategy is the 1 minute. So for you guys, make sure that as you're learning how to trade, as you're developing the skill set, that you really hone in, identify your lifestyle. Like, do you have kids? Do you have to work during New York session? I trade Asian session, so that shouldn't be a problem for you. You know, like, really identify a lot of different things, a lot of elements, and then you could be able to identify, okay, well, supply and demand seems cool, or smart money concept seems cool, or IC team seems cool, and just really hone in on these things. Like, don't try to figure this stuff out by yourself. There's a lot of stuff online that you can utilize to be able to help you become profitable very quickly. Get a mentor that knows what the heck he's talking about, all that stuff. So that is my encouragement to you guys, man, to be able to fund what you want to do what you want to do, not have to sneak in the bathroom to place trades, not have to sneak away from work to place trades, not have to go in the car, get yelled at by your boss. You just made $1,000 in the market, and your boss is like, where you been at, man? See, this your you want thin ice? I used to hate when bosses told me that. You want thin ice? Chip this ice. Let me stop. Yeah, man. So these are the things that I really feel like you should think about, consider. Like I said before, my course, it is only $30. You cannot beat that, man. There's courses that I've come across that are like literally $10,000. That you cannot beat that. So, and the reason why I'm even charging for my course is because when you invest in something, you take it serious. And so I'm also doing one-on-ones as well. The prices drop for that tremendously. When you make money from the market, you're really not trying to break people's pockets open. You just want them to invest almost the same way that you did, but you want them to invest so that they could be able to take it serious to some degree. So that's what I want to leave you guys with. That's what I want to encourage you guys with. Pick this thing up this year, and if you've already picked it up, take this thing serious. Lock in, man. And for the people that have been trading for a long time, continue to hone in on the craft. Make the tweaks that need to be made. Do not park at a strategy if you are not profitable with it yet. Continue to make those tweaks. Continue to make the adjustments. Continue to do what you need to do to make it better so you can become profitable. 2026 can be a year for you to become profitable if you really lock in, okay? All right. If this was helpful for you, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in that course, go ahead and get that jump. See you on the next video. Peace.